Good evening, family. Ham's Loft. It's Sunday. The birds are out flying. I was making a video earlier. This is going to be another video I'm making. This video right here is going to be on my Unicorn clock. I got two antennas right here. I got one antenna that comes with the kit. It's about a 5-year-old kit, about 4-year-old kit, or maybe 3. But anyway, it's a Champ Plus. And I go over some of the stuff that we got. I just took it out of the garage. I try to keep everything together. This is the brain. I keep everything in the. That's the brain. We all got to put our name on it so that nobody gets lost. And it goes in there. These my little green Unicorn bands. I ordered 50. It was $235 each, and it's $130. These are the ones from last year. I got a total of 50 plus these is 72. So I got 72 birds that I'm allowed to put in the race, as long as I got the green bands. We do ours a little different. Our race secretary puts everything in. We have to turn in, it's a specific way she wants it. We have to turn in our list, and then the race secretary puts them in order. Everybody's a little different, but you can see all the ones that's AA starting with 13201 all the way down. You have to put your stuff in. And these two right here are money bands, which I didn't put nothing in. This is last year's sheet. And our race secretary charges us 50 cents to put them in. I do mine a little different. I use pink for females and blue for cocks. So you have to put your band number, AU, what the description is, and if it's a hen, I put hen, but I use pink anyway, because she scans these into the main computer, which loads it into our brain, so we'll know exactly which birds we got for the race. All right, these are last year's, so I just reuses the bag. But here goes this year. Let's look at it. We flying to the south this year. We usually fly west to east. This year we're flying south to east. The first race, 100-mile race. I'm 122. This guy's 120. He's up the street from me. And this guy 124. He's up the street from me. And you can see everybody else's lower numbers, so we're the farthest ones on that race. And then it goes etc. 150-mile race, 200-mile race. So we're flying towards Birmingham, Alabama. 250-mile race gives you an idea of what's the distance that we're flying, and then our race schedule. Birds just came down. The camera don't do it no justice. It's dark out here. Let me tell you, it's dark. But they just came in. But okay, our first race is September 18th. That's our first race. So you can see we still got a little time in our racing. Our first race is 100, 150, 200. And then we go to the Kentucky Pigeon Show that's in Louisville, Kentucky, the Young Bird Pigeon Show. We'll be going to that. And then the rest of our races right there. Yep. And this is how we come out to how much your race fees are. We charge everybody $1.50 a mile, get a total amount of miles, and we charge each for cleaning out the trailers after each race for disinfecting. And that's how you get your race numbers. Take $2,025, divide it up by how many people race, and there you go. That's how your race fees work. So you can imagine on young birds, we only got 1,150 miles on 6 races. Old birds start off at 200 miles and they run 8 races and you pay $1.50 a mile. So you do the math. So you can see how young birds race only cost me probably about $150. Old birds races can cost you anywhere from $400 on up. That's why I'm not an old bird racer. I can't afford to. And we have to put in what kind of birds you have based on this sheet that we get. Those are descriptions of each bird. So we can't just put anything down. We have to use what the computer says so that it'll go in. All right. Any questions? Just hit me up. And that's just a little update on my race clock and everything. Champ Plus. Comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace.